Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I build a wooden wheelbarrow planter, perfect for your garden or front porch. We're using cedar because it's naturally weather resistant, affordable, and smells amazing. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need 5 boards of cedar fence picket, a wooden dowel or wooden rod for the axle, exterior wood screws and 16 gauge nails. And detailed drawing and cut list of all parts are in the plan, which I include in the description. After cutting your cedar boards, let's assemble the bar. First, apply wood glue and assemble the sides using the sideboards and connecting pieces. Then apply wood glue at the edges and screw the sides and bottom together. Don't forget to pre-drill the holes to prevent splitting. Next, I cut 2 long cedar handles. Round the corners using a jigsaw and sand it smooth. Then I drill 1-inch diameter hole to insert the wheel shaft, and then attach them to the sides of the bar. To make the wheel, I join 2 cedar boards together using the pocket hole joint method. Then rough cut the circle with a bandsaw. You can use a jigsaw if you don't have a bandsaw. Next, make it a perfect circle with a router and circular cutting jig. The next step is cutting the 1-inch diameter rod to use as a wheel shaft. And then slide on the wheel shaft through the holes of the handle, and then insert the wheel and secure it with wood dowel pins on either side. The wheel should spin freely. Once all the assembly is done, give everything a good sanding to smooth the edges. You can seal it with a clear outdoor finish or leave it raw. Cedar holds up great on its own. Now install landscaping fabric for extra protection and then fill it with soil and your favorite plants. And there you have it, your own handcrafted cedar wheelbarrow planter. If you enjoyed this build, give us a like and subscribe for more DIY garden projects. And remember, I have a detailed build plan for this wheelbarrow planter in the link in the description. Enjoy woodworking. See you next time.